Hi friends, it's Hazel's mom. Today we're gonna build a marble run. Yeah, I'm so excited. Let's go. Wow, look at all these super cool pieces we have. Oh. Whoop. Ooh. Hey, do you think when we put a marble down there, it spins the wheel? I bet you it does. And look at all the colors we have. We have red pieces. Ooh. And funny yellow pieces. Well, that's weird, isn't it? We have green pieces. Oh, look at that. Woo! And we have, well, blue pieces. All right, friends, let's separate all of our pieces by colors so that we have 4 groups of pieces to work with. Are you ready? Red, yellow, blue, and green. Yeah, okay, well, let's start building our marble run. All right, friends, so let's start by putting our bases out first. The bases are going to be the feet of our marble run. It looks like we're about, I'd say, halfway done. Oh, and we have a lot more pieces to go. Yeah, let's keep building. Wow! It's huge! Oh, I'm so excited to start playing with it. Yeah, so we have some marbles, but, well, they're kind of hard to see. So I'm wondering if we should use something else, like, what could we use? I know, let's see if we can get some gumballs to put down the marble run. Yeah! All right, look at all these different gumballs we have. Let's see, we have blue gumballs and white gumballs. And we have the color pink. The color red. Orange. And yellow. Wow, that's a lot of colors. How many different colors do we have? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job! All right, let's start playing. Oh no, we got to back up. Whoa! We have a little bit of a traffic jam, don't we? Red. Yellow. Oh no! We'll just give him a little push. Orange. Wow, friends, I had so much fun playing with our marble run with you today. That was so cool. Okay, so in the comments below, let me know what your favorite color of gumball was. Is it blue, yellow, red, orange, pink, or white? My favorite was, I'd say probably the orange gumballs. Yeah. All right, explorers, we'll see you next time. Bye.